Lingampalli, Aminpur area. Builder constructed 2 houses, but one is sold out. One house available, G+1. G+1 house, west facing, 128 square yards. Ground floor, double bedroom, 1000 SFT. First floor, 1000 SFT, double bedroom. G+1, 128 square yards. 128 square yards. First floor, double bedroom. Ground floor, double bedroom. Bore and car parking. Present tiles work started, paint work started. Here it is car parking. Entrance. Opposite house is there. Staircase for the first floor. This is car parking area. One bore is there. Entrance. Inside house entrance. Hall. This is a hall. Window. TV unit. This is west facing. Open kitchen. Shelves. Puja room. Here dining area. This is dining area, kitchen, and this is children's bedroom. Inside shelves, children's bedroom. Backside some gap is there. 4 feet gap is there. Backside. First coat paint completed. Second coat paint, tiles. This is common toilet. This is master bedroom. Inside shelves and attached toilet, western toilet. Window. Western toilet for master bedroom. Tiles work and second coat painting. Electrical wires fixing. West facing, 128 square yards. Again we are coming here. Entrance view. Starting. This is car parking gate. Entrance gate. Here entrance gate. Car parking. West facing. This is entrance. Hall. This is hall. TV unit. Shelves. Kitchen. Open kitchen. Shelves and dining area. Puja room. Children's bedroom. Inside shelves and backside some 4 feet gap. Again common toilet. Master bedroom. Inside shelves. Master bedroom inside shelf and attached toilet inside. This is ground floor, double bedroom. We are going first floor. This is first floor. Here again one toilet is there. Common toilet outside, wash area. And for the second floor staircase. Here balcony. This is balcony and second floor entrance. This is hall. Sit out. TV unit and kitchen, open kitchen. Shelves. This is dining. This is puja room, west facing puja room and children's bedroom. Inside shelves, backside balcony. Children's bedroom shelves Tiles work pending, second coat painting, electrical works pending. Kitchen, open kitchen. Dining, sit out area, TV unit, common toilet, master bedroom, inside shelves, western toilet for the master bedroom, window, very ventilated. At present 3 o'clock time, afternoon 3 o'clock time. Master bedroom. This is 128 square yards. Ground floor 1000 SFT, first floor 1000 SFT, total 2000 SFT. G+1 house, one bore is there. If we given rent, we will get 10,000 per floor, 20,000. And we can construct another one floor or two floors according to customer's budget. This is hall, TV unit area. All are independent houses here. This colony near Aminpur village. This is first floor view. First floor view. And for the second floor staircase. Again we are going inside. This is hall, TV unit, 2 windows, and open kitchen with shelves, dining area, common toilet, puja room, children's bedroom with shelves, backside balcony, tap area, open kitchen with good quality, one bore is there, and master bedroom. Master bedroom. Builder saying price is 98 lakhs, 1-2 lakhs negotiable. Bank loan, HDFC, LIC, bank loan will provide. HDFC, LIC, 98 lakhs, G+1 house, 128 square yards, 2000 SFT. Here water also very plenty water, nearby lakes, Aminpur. 1 month time. Tiles, it's take 1 week time. Second coat paint 1 week. And electrical wires 1 week. Total 3 weeks works pending. And we are going down line, staircase. Ground floor car parking area. Entrance elevation. 2 houses are there, but one is sold out. This house available, west facing, 128 square yards, G+1. First floor 1000 SFT, ground floor 1000, total 2000 SFT. 1 month time, ready to occupy, bank loan available.